Hey everyone, here's a ring we remade for one of our clients' customers in Georgia. Their customer came to them with the ring shown on the right, which was in a pretty bad condition. The shank was not only out of round, but also worn down to almost paper thin. The prongs were also very thin, resulting in a couple of stones being able to move freely inside of their settings. It wouldn't be long before diamonds started falling out. Overall, a pretty straightforward remake. The customer just wanted the same slightly offset mounting that the original stones you see here could be set back into. The ring has been sent off to our client for their customer to view and try on. But next, the ring will be cast in 14 karat white gold using their metal. From there, our client's jeweler will be setting and finishing the ring, and the customer can go back to wearing their favorite piece without having to worry about losing any of their stones. If you have a cherished or worn out ring you'd like to have updated or recreated, feel free to reach out to us. We can easily match and redesign a new ring based on the original that then can be worn with confidence. For anything else, feel free to leave us a comment, and thanks for watching.